Focus, the most critical element to any production, refers to the moving of the lens elements until the sharpest possible image is achieved. There are multiple methods available to focus your shot, which will either be controlled manually or using the camera's built-in autofocus technology. To focus manually, you use the focus ring on the front of the lens to move the lens elements in order to ensure your image is sharp. Most cameras have tools to help you achieve critical focus, such as peaking and focus assist. Peaking shows a visual representation of the areas that are in focus by highlighting the outline of a subject that is sharp in a distinctive colour. This colour can usually be changed between red, yellow and white, depending on your camera. You can also change the intensity. On our camera, the Sony a7 III, the settings for peaking can be found in Menu 1, page 13, under Peaking Setting. Another helpful tool is the Focus Assist or Punch-In button. This essentially magnifies your image in order to obtain a better view and accurately focus on the object you desire. On our camera, this is set to the C2 button, but can be changed in your settings. Both peaking and focus assist are not recorded on the final image and are just a visual aid. Autofocus features will differ from camera to camera. You can access your focus settings on the a7 III by pressing the function button and scrolling through to MF or AF. On some models, you will have to half press the shutter button in order to back button focus, whereas other models will use phase detection technology to ensure your image is sharp without you having to press any buttons. You can scroll through different settings for autofocus, which include face detection, eye detection and subject tracking. Most cameras will also offer you a variety of areas to autofocus. For example, on the Sony a7 III, wide will analyse the entire frame to determine the subject focus, whereas centre will focus on whatever subject is in the centre of the frame. If you require more control over your focus area, you can shoot spot focus and determine exactly where in your frame you want to sharp by using the touchscreen or the D-pad. It is best practice to conduct test shoots as different situations will require different focusing methods dependent on your subject and shot type. Remember, you cannot refocus in post-production, so gaining critical focus on set is vital, as a soft image potentially cannot be used.